can you provide some insight into the real world challenges that low code can solve?
Yeah, sure. Let's take an example, a real example we had several times with our QED customers. Okay, so you need to have a quick answer to a real event or a real problem you get on a day-to-day basis. So let's pick an example. Let's pick an example of components, manufacturing with electronic components. So let's go to the real case. So this is a real case where you get suppliers and they are delivering to you, to your plants, to plant 1 and plant 2, and a limited number of components. So instead of delivering the 20,000 expected, they will deliver only 5,000. So what do you need is to handle it and to allocate these 5,000 components to plant A and plant 1 and plant 2. So what's going on here is you need to find out, the customer demand for the future, and according to the customer demand, and allocate the components for the customer demands, and then calculate the plant, the number of components allocated for each plant they will delivering the goods to the customers. So that's a calculation. It's not available yet in the adaptive ERP. So what you need to do is a key user needs to do a rapid analysis and first find out if it's available or not in the current ERP. If it's not, they will need to think about to develop a quick application. Okay, so a quick low code. So what do they do is they say, okay, first let's develop a mockup. Okay, quick mockup on fully integrated in the ERP, okay, and then through few iterations, few tests with the key users, they said, okay, let's go. So that's good to go, and in few days they are able to deploy the application to the day-to-day operation, okay, through the same menu. So the thing is, in this case, what the key user will do is they will create a new field, in the low-code application. So they will create a new field. Then after the new field, they will add some formula for the calculation of the allocation, okay? And then probably they will calculate and display this information for the day-to-day operation, okay? So that's why this could be quick and for unexpected challenges. So quick answer, mock-up, and deploy.